Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce how to enroll the accessories to the control panel. First of all, you can use the enroll button on the back of the control panel. Press once to enter the enroll mode, and then press the test button of the PR motion sensor. And trigger the door sensor. Press any button of the remote control. Press once to escape. Now it enrolled successfully. You can operate with the remote control. You can also use the apps to operate. Tap the device, find the accessories, and tap on Add. Now it also entered into enroll mode, and you can add any sensors by triggering the sensors. Now escape. There are two sensors we have already enrolled before. So that's all about this. Thank you for watching.